Hitting Sterling.
Sounds.
Okay, good. Rebound flat. Number 29, Isham to Obi. Number 3 for 3. No. Rebound. Number red team. Number 23. Obi fouled by number 23. Number 29. Ang block. First down.
Huwag mo muna mag-leave. Atas mo.
Number 16. Rebound. Offensive rebound of red. 16. Teardrops. No. Rebound by Owi. Owi to 29. Basket. Oh, no. Sablay pala. Rebound by 16.
Dapat nag-report ka. Wala may shot lock. Okay, wala mag-shot lock. 14-14 lang naman yan.
14 seconds to shoot. Steal by 29. 29 to 0. And Niluwa. Score is 0-0. Number 19. Rebound to serve. Number 29 all the way to the cup. Basket. Number 16, rebound by Owi. Owi to 29. Tinapik. Medyo natapilog pero walang tawag. Number 19. Number 3. Ryan. Owi, elbow shot. Basket. Score is 4-0. To 25 to number 23. Number 23. Teardrops. And it's good. Owi again. No. Tapik ng red. Number 19.
Kuya, payuko po, payuko.
0. Lambino to Ryan. Ryan for 3. No. Ryan again, rebound. Pinasa kay Sir. Vivian. Puesa sa gitna. Basket by number 6. Romel. Vivian. Number 16 to number 21. 21, 2 drops, and it's good. Ryan dribbling. Score natin is 6 sa black, 4 sa red. 40-second shot na Brian again. No rebound by Keyshawn. Pinoy steps. No. Tapik ng red. Number 16. Basket. Score is all 6. Owi to number 0. Lambino. Lambino to Keyshawn. Keyshawn, brother. To Ryan. Ryan to Prof. Prof. Isha, nope. Rebound by red, number 21. To number 19. 19. Behind the scene dribble. Number 19, left shot, basket. 8-6. Score is 8-6.
Muscle sa, pag-shim mo ta. Auto sub.
Ryan again, no. Rebound by Hisham. To Romel. Romel fakes. And is fouled by number.
Sounds. Akin na yung sounds para hindi kami
Change 5, E1 yung shooter. Change 5, E1 yung shooter. Change 5, E1 yung shooter. Pag naka-shoot sa pangalawa, pwede palitan yung shooter. Basket.
Muscle mo pag nakashoot Auto sub.
Wala.
Pag nag-dead ball, sub yung isa. Tanggal si Romel.
Kasi si Owi, pati yung Lambino.
Okay. So.
Hinaan mo nga, malulobat tayo niyan. Hinaan mo lang konti.
Owi. Oh, and one. Sabi yung isa. Auto sabi yung isa. O yung dalawa ata yun. Yan, si Romel out. Yan. Sabi yung isa. Isa pa pang block. Basket. Owi. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Score is 10-9. 10-8 in the favor of black. Number 17. Advik. 17. Number 4, 3 drops. Rebound. Number 4 ulit. And na-foul siya. Who's fouled? Number 7. First personal foul by Chris Santos. First team foul by black team. 2 shot by number 4. Mia. Dieta, second attempt, no basket. Same ball, 14 seconds to shoot. 18. To number 11 for 3, no. Black team tayo, number 13. 13, no. Rebound by Dieta. Nagbabalik. 17, cross. 17, left shot, no. Rebound by number 10. Fake shot, no. Nagagawan, number 10 again, no again. Naka-4 na rebound, pero wala. Sablay pa rin. Rebound by Chris. Owi, direction! No! Rebound by Arvik. Picking up the ball nang walang kahirap-hirap. Number 22, Arvik against Owi. To Jetta against number 55 rather. Number 10. Black team. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. The first quarter score is 10-8 in favor of black. Owi. Pasa kita, Chris Santos. And it's fouled by number 10. Number 10, first personal foul. Second team foul by red team. 2 shot by Chris Santos. Violation, red ball.
This third quarter pa.
5-5 yan. Uno. Kali ata yung scoreboard ko.
Blocking tayo. 13, rebound by Arvik. Number 7, Steve by 10. Basket is good by number 18. Score 110, 6 minutes and 5 seconds. He's foul. Foul by number 18.
Number 18.
First personal foul, 13 foul by red team. Owi, who is teammate sa tres. Nope. Rebound by Nino. Nino to 17. 17, elbow shot. Nope. Rebound by number 18, nilabas to number 10 sa tres. Fix. Number 10, traveling.
Pakita mo ganyan na para makita ko.
5 minutes and 20. Temata to Santos sa gitna. Rebound by Nino. Charles. Pass to Nino sa gitna. Pick up by Owi. Owi. Basket is good. Change 5, change 5. Change 5, change 5. Yung hindi pa po nakapasok.
Yan na call dito. Tatlo. Huwag mo nalagyan. Huwag mo nalagyan. Huwag mo nalagyan. Basic lang tayo. Announce na.
Red ball, red ball. Red ball, red ball.
Sige lang, konti-konti lang po na. Okay.
16 for 3. No. Ryan. Or Ryan rather. Hisham. Fake press. Pinasa. Nakagawa ng 16. Number 16. Basket is good by number 16. Score is all 12.
Valenzuela.
Hisham. Rebound by 19. Enzo. Number 23. Rebound by Black. Number 0, Lambino. Two-step, Pinoy. Rebound by Red. Number 19. Red team tile. Number 25, fakes. Rebound by Black to Duchamp. Misdirection, and it's good. Layup is brought to you by Lucky Me.
Dali na natin yung muna.
Offensive foul by
Sinong foul? Wala. Hindi, kaya. Wala na.
Black ball. Ryan. Pass to Lambino. Traveling.
Gago may ba?
May bago ba dyan? May bagong dating? Elbow shot by number 23. Allen. 0-4. Rebound. Nagagawan. Red ball. Number 16. Diretso. Basket by number 16. Valenzuela. Hisham. Against Valenzuela. So Lambino. Lambino sa tres. Rebound. Red ball.
Ako to, ako na.
1 minute and 25 sa first quarter. 23 to Enzo sa tres. Rebound by Black. Hisham. Ang dami rebound ni Hisham. Diretso. Hisham and it's good. Pass to Gabriel. Loses. "56 seconds. Hisham. For three. No. Rebound by 0-4. Sexy shot. Teardrop by Ryan. Rebound by Red. 33. Two-step Pinoy. Rebound by Hisham. Hisham to tres. Ryan for three. Go. Saved by 0-4. 0-4. Black by Red. Lambino to Ryan. Teardrops. Basket by Ryan. 6 seconds left. No basket. End of the first quarter.
Fifteen minutes. Ilan na kayo dyan? 15 na kayo?
May bagong dating dyan? Bagong dating?
Traffic yun.
Second quarter. Score is 18-16 in favor of Black. Kobe shot. Rebound by 10 and it's good. Owie. Number 7. Owie sa gitna, fakes. To number 20. 23, 13 number. Black ball, 14 seconds, shot clock. Number 7, Lee. Rebound by number 18. Clear drops by number 18. Charles. Owie. Quinesa. Anong tawag, Beb? Foul by number 10. Number 10, number 10. First personal foul, first team foul by red team. And win. Number 7. Basket is going by number 7. Arvin. Number 4, number 13 to Owie. Walang foul. Good back by Owie. Number 18 to number 17. 17 to Enzo. To number 18. Tapet ni Quibien. Number 13 to Owie. Owie, sandali lang daw. Owie to 55. And it's fouled by Arvik. Arvik first personal foul. 13 foul by Red.
Black yan, black.
Ah, dito po.
pa lang, first team foul pa lang.
First team foul, brother.
After wala pa.
Basket is good by 55. Boss, sub ka na agad ha. I-ano mo na to. Basket is good by 55.
Kaya dito, lapit ka dito.
May black ka, kuya. Pa-register na lang dito yung name. Owi, walang tao. Good. (18 to 10). Number 21. Number 10 again. Rebound by 7. Pick up by 10. Number 18. Charles to number 10. Sa 3. No. Black ball. Owi again, 17. Number 13 sa 3. No, rebound by 10. Kuha ni Owi. Owi to Quibin. 14 to shoot. Owi. Try to alley-oop. Quibin. Fakes. To Owi. To 13. Nice pass from Owi. Basket by number 13. Sapanta. 18 for 3. No. Rebound by Arvik. Pick up the ball and it's good. Arvik. Pick. Cross. Tama yan. 22. 14 fakes. 13 rather. Rebound by Arvik. Binigay sa 17, Laurel. 17, bumps. Walang tawag. 1-7. Akala niya 7-footer. Substitution. Pasok muna itong bago, yung bago. Yung bago muna. Hindi na
Kuya,
kapasok
kuya.
ang first. Sige, 88. Ano pangalan mo, kuya? 88.
Uy, hindi ko yan.
Hindi. Sige, lagyan mo lang 88. Hindi, tanong mo.
Kaya apelido mo.
Kuya, pangalan mo, kuya? Ay, no? Nabunag. Okay, thank you. Stop tayo muna. Good, good. Wala. Bago mo. 23. To Jetta. Number 16, Venezuela. 23. 10-second shot clock. Number 16, Venezuela, elbow. Rebound by Lampino. To Hisham, no good. Kuha ni Enzo. Enzo to Jetta. Picked up by Lampino. Ryan dribbling against Venezuela. Ooh, number 29 for 3, no. Red ball. Venezuela. Steal by Lampino. Easy basket. By Matthew. Enzo. Enzo to number 25. Basket by number 25. Franco Ferreira. For 3, no! Sige, focus ka dyan. Red team, 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Score is 30-24 in favor of black. Valenzuela to Enzo. Enzo against Hisham to Ryan. Number 16, Valenzuela for 3, no. Rebound by Lambino. Lambino to Matthew. Loses. Valenzuela, derecho. Against Hisham. Valenzuela again. To number 25. Elbow shot. Rebound by Black. Rebound by Matthew. Pinasa kay Hisham. Hisham against Enzo. Two-step. No. Rebound by 25. Franco against Hisham. Franco ulit to Gabriel. Gabriel, pinasa, pinalik. To Valenzuela sa 3. 3 points by Valenzuela.
John Valenzuela.
Score is 27-30 in favor of Black. 3 point by Lambino for 3 points. Score is 33-27 in favor of Black. 6 minutes. Enzo fakes. Enzo two-step and is fouled. Fouled by number 0, Lambino. Lambino, first personal. Second team foul by Black. Two shot by Enzo. Isa, Soberano pala. Second attempt by Soberano. No. No. Line ball. Black ball tayo. 5 minutes and 52. Second quarter. Score is 33-27. Ryan against Valenzuela. Double dribble. Red team.
Magsimot, pwede na, pwede na.
23 to Valenzuela sa 3 ulit. 3 by Valenzuela.
Mabago.
Hisham fakes. Steve by Valenzuela. By Enzo. Enzo to number 25. 23 to Gabriel. Basket is through by Gabriel. Change fire. Dali lang. Sandali hapon nyo.
Ay, ano ba yan? Tignan mo nga pangalan nila. Oo, tara.
Rep saglit ha.
Tara, pasok na kayo.
Ayan, kami yan.
Sige. Mamaya na, magsapatos pa kayo. Kaya na dapat.
Back to the ball game.
Paano mo na lang isa yung mga dapat pang apat na cards mo. Kaso late kasi sila eh. Sila na. Hindi lang apat na cards.
For 3, no. Go out by Arvig. Arvig to number 21 is good.
Nakakot si Baya.
Number 13. Picked up by number 21. Patrick. Number 10. Barba. No, rebound by Barba. Rebound by Puibigin.
Hindi kami ang dating eh.
Romel to number 22. Black team time for 3 points by number 13. Gabriel Zapata. For 3, number 17 for 3 points. By number 17.
Lazy ah. Tanong mo nga anong pangalan yung 17, dalawang Royal Barba yan ah. Yung isa, Royal Barba yung number 10. Royal Barba yan.
Number 7. Block by number 7, Barba. Steal. Red basketball.
Number 10 yung Barba. Yung 17 kasama niya Barba din. Tanong mo ang pangalan. Mamaya, pag ano, vlog dumaan sa'yo.
Arvin. Arvin libre. No. Tapping by Quibin, being steal by Barba. The number 17. 17 to Barba. Nice pass, connection. 39-36 in favor of Red. Red na ang lamang. Sapanta, sandali lang daw. Sapanta against 17, screen by 22. Sapanta, drop pass to number 22. Number 7. Number 7, Santos, basket by Chris Santos. 38-39 in favor of Red. Arvik, tinawid ang bola against Sapanta. Arvik. Arvik sa tres. Arvik sa tres. No, rebound by Quibin. Romel. The tallest guy on the floor and nag-dribble. Sapanta for 3 points. Arvik sa 17. 17 against Zapata. 17 sa tres. Rebound by Romel. Romel, tinaga si Arvik. Romel, puwersa. And is fouled by number 17. Number 17. First personal. 13 foul by Red. 2 shot by Romel Quibi. Score is 41-39 in favor of Black. No basket. 17. 17. Good by number 17. All 41. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Zapata against 21. Zapata uli. Tapik. Fouled by number 18. Charles Calvo, second personal foul, 14 foul by Red. Santos. Basket by Chris Santos. Score is 43-41 favor of Black. 1 minute and 1 second. Number 18 sa tres. Rebound by Barba. To number 17. 17, Pinoy step. 17 ulit. To Arvik. Arvik, diretso. Arvik. Sexy layup. Basket is good by Arvik. Parang may sinandok lang sa ere. Zapanta against 21. Patrick. And it's foul. N1 as per referee. Basket is good. Foul by number. Number 10. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Basket is good by Zapanta. Pasensya na. Pinasok ang upuan natin. 17 sa tres. 3 points by number 17. Number 7. Chris. We begin. Go. End of the second quarter.
Kain na.
Zero mo na lang ba yan?
Sige, zero mo lang si Khalil. Ha?
Bigayan na,
Nakalis na.
bigayan na lang tayo doon sa ano, mga link.
Number
Bigayan na lang. Next up na yung mga bago ha.
Kulang pa tatlo dito.
Wala pa tatlo dito. Wala, na-traffic eh. Sinabihan ko naman na. Bigyan mo ng 3 minutes. Kawawa naman. Ano kaya magkisimulan lahat yung grupo nila kalit? Wala nang sub, no? Hindi pwede. Dumami yung laro nila eh.
Tatampo yan.
Hindi, dumami yung ano eh. Yung Enzo nagdalawang beses sila yung iba eh. Late sila eh, wala kang magagawa.
Eh, baka kasi. Mabul. Mabul yung spot.
Alam naman nila eh, late sila eh. Late na nga tayo nag-start eh. Nakailan laro ka nag
Ano na lang? Pag dito. Alternate. Di ba naglaro sila ngayon? Tapos next up. Iba naman. Tapos sila ulit. 15 minutes naman yun. Third practice pa.
bigayan na lang tayo bigayan. Oo. Dance, napitigan mo na lahat.
Kasi, bumayad na kasi.
Doon kay kailan sila?
Diba? Lance, magkano mo? 290?
Sakto lang yan, abot yan, akong bahala. Master ko na to.
Sila din pipili ko kami.
Oh, sila rin tatawa to. Championship ni McRae ngayon eh, hindi pwede.
Saan?
Sa 5 and 6 eh.
Champion na sila kahapon.
Hindi pa. Ano ba? Okay na. Nakailang game ka na? 3?
Astor na ako ngayon.
Asik ka na. Nakailang tira mo parang sinandok sa ere po.
Kaya naman tignan eh. Ito, gilid na gilid eh.
Back to the ball game. Yung nakaisa pa lang, pasok na agad. Nalate po kasi kayo eh. Salamat po. Kailangan natin i-start talaga on time. Pasensya na. Ngayon, depende sa kakampi nyo kung pagbibigyan kayo yung nilaro nila kanina. Okay, good. Third quarter.
Tama, hindi kami. Hoy, tabi dyan! Dito, Kuya Muray, Bang-bang.
3 points by Ryan. Rebound by 17. Tingnan naman pangalan yan.
David Biden.
Ano mo pangalan? Hindi ko alam po. Barba, dalawang barba dito.
Kaya, Boston tapos.
Sample? Okay, okay.
Ito na,
Pwede.
Kaya.
Kaya pangalan?
Pangalan mo yan.
Basket is good by Black.
Uy, basket.
Matthew. Basket by Matthew. Yung bago. Foul. Who's foul, bro? Number 88, foul. First personal. Two shot by Khalil. Nope. Score is 48-46 in favor of Black. Second attempt by Khalil, wala. Rebound by Jetta. Black ball.
Ano pangalan niya? Bigat.
Ha? Bonnie, sige, Bigata. Bonnie na lang.
He shot for three. No, rebound by Khalil to number 20.
Isang kupo na lang yun.
Number 20 to 28, elbow shot. 28, basket is good.
Ayun lang.
By number 28.
All 40.
Ano pangalan?
Pangalan niya, Ahmad.
Matthew to Ryan. Ryan libre. 3 points by Ryan. Number 6 to number 20.
Genesis. Mashout, Tanto.
Khalil, elbow shot. Rebound by Matthew. Ayos sa score. Hisham. Walang tawag. Rebound. 88, elbow shot by Matthew. Basket is good by Matthew. Correction sa score, 55-48 in favor of Black.
Short ka dyan?
Parang nakatas kanina si ano. Ayun na yung nakalagay.
Matthew. Pass to Ryan. Loses the ball. Red ball. Tanto against Hisham. Inanas, number 28. Arman to Dieta. Dieta, diretso. Wala. Not this time. Hisham all the way to the cup. Basket. 57-48 in favor of Black team. 28, Arman. Screened by Khalil, number 6. Fakes. To Jetta. Jetta, power move. Basket this time by Nino Jetta. 50-57 in favor of Black. Ryan stops arc. He's fouled by number 20. Rishab Tanto, first personal. First team foul by red team. Hisham. To Ryan. Hisham again. Rebound by number 6. Steve by Matthew. Matthew to Hisham. Hisham for 3. Basket. Back shot by Hisham. 10-point lead by Black. 60-50. Tanto to Khalil. Khalil wala. Rebound by Matthew. Matthew. Good shot by Matthew. Gabriel. Number 10, second personnel foul, second team foul by red team. Khalil. To Jake. Jake number 20, Tanto. Foul by number 55, Black. First personal foul by Hernandez. Second team foul by Black. Number 6 at 3. No. Juan de Matthew. Matthew to Hisham. To Ryan. No. Matthew rebound.
Loses the ball. Patay. Tuba.
Jordan.
Huwag na mag-sounds. Sabi ko sa'yo, huwag. May na lang. Nakasaksak ba?
Tanto, 28, basket is good. 52-61 in favor of Black. Lampino. Tanggalin lang daw. Against 20. Hesse. Matthew, fake. Ryan, libre. 3 points. No. Rebound by Lampino. And it's fouled by Khalil.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul by Khalil. 13th foul by Black. Shooting to Lampino.
Pag sumot auto sub ah. Sub. Pag sumot. Sub.
Good, Matthew. Hisham.
Pag sumot basa ka.
Rebound by Khalil. Jake. Against Ryan. Jake ulit. To number 20. Tanto. To Jetta. Basket's good. Change 5, change 5. Change 5. Score is 61-54 in favor of Black. Owi. Zapata. To Chris Santos. Fakes. To Romel. Romel sa 3. No. Rebound by 25. To Valenzuela. Valenzuela. To Enzo. It's good. 56-61. Owi. Against Venezuela. Zapata, 2 steps to number 7, Santos. Rebound by 21. Patrick. To Venezuela, fake news. Number 19, Enzo sa 3. No, rebound by Zapata. Zapata to Owi. Owi, stop and pop, pero pinasa. Number 4, number 7, Santos. And he's fouled by number Push. Number 25, number 8, Franco Ferrer, first personal. Second team foul by red team. 2 shot, Chris Santos. Basket. Score is 62-56 in favor of Black. 23, drop pass to Valenzuela. Valenzuela to 25. Kuha, picked up by Zapata. Pinasa kay Owi. Owi dire-diretso. Owi, basket! Valenzuela against Zapata. Behind the scene, dribble. Number 19, Enzo. Enzo against Owi. Pinasa kay Owi. To Zapata. Alley-oop pass from Owi. 66-56 in favor of Black. 23, screen. Steal by Zapata. Zapata inagis kay Owi. Fake. Zapata. Basket. 68-56, 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Third quarter. 25. Valenzuela sa 3. No. Rebound by Romel. To Zapata. Cross. Zapata. Owi. 2-step in. 3 seconds by Chris Santos. Red ball. Elbow shot, basket is good by number 25, Franco. Owi. Owi to Zapata. 14-second shot clock. Steal by 25. 25 alley to number 23 and it's good by number 23. 60-68 favor of Black Parade. Quibien basket. Height is mine by Quibien. Franco. Binigay lang ang depensa. Rebound by Romel. Romel to Owie. Owie. Basket by Owie. And it's fouled by Romel. Good shot by Patrick. Romel, first personal. 13 foul by Black. Batista. Owie! Basket is good by Owie. Basket by Enzo. Owie ulit. 76-62. Black ang laman. Enzo sa tres. Enzo ulit. Enzo, no, rebound by Chris. Chris to Owie. Sa tres daw. Owie for 3 points. 79-62 in favor of Black. Number 23. 23. To number 25 sa tres sa gilid. Rebound by Santos. Kuha ni Owie, nakakarami na. Owie sa tres ulit, back to back. Wala, rebound by Zapanta. To Owie. Yun pala yung Zapanta sa gilid. Teka lang, walang warm up kasi yan eh. Good. Enzo. Number 23. Injury time out. Sa Black.
Ito pala. Boss Lee. Ha? Di ba yung lima kami mo? Dalawa mo na papasok. Tapos mamaya na yung dalawa. Tapos isa lang.
Sila na mag-usap. Sabihin sa kanila. Ito to yung ano.
Kasi papapasok yun. Kasi alam mo yung talaga.
Sabihin mo anong pwede. Kasi nakatatlo na yun sila eh. Nakatatlo na yung grupo na. Tara. Yan, Commander.
Back to the ball game.
Late sila yun.
Change 5! Okay na.
Change 5, okay na.
Tama yun no.
Change 5 na, change 5.
Yung Owie oh.
Change 5 na tayo, change 5.
Wala si Warnock. Idol.
Change 5 na tayo, change 5. Change 5 na. Change 5 na, 5 minutes na eh. Nagpalit na ba? Okay na. Change 5 na yan, okay na. Si Owie pa, si Owie. Oo, change 5. Palit ka. Palitan niya si Owie. Yung isa pa. Isa pa lang o dalawa. Yan. Yung pangalawa pa lang. Bigayan na, bigayan. Bigayan na sa break time. 5 minutes per quarter per player pa. Salamat. Ryan for 3. No. Rebound. 55 elbow. Left shot. What a shot. $55. 10-second shot clock. Ryan for 3. No. Tapik. Black ulit. 55. No ulit. Kuwabe. Gabriel. Saved by Gabriel. Pass to 17.
Mag-share ka naman kay Gabriel.
Number 17, Bonnie. Rebound by Gabriel. Gabriel, no. Kuha na number 18. Number 18 sa 3. 3, no. Kuha ni Bonnie. Bonnie to Gabriel. To number 18. Wala, basket wala. Ay, number 18. Calvo. Lambino. Lambino. Step back. Wala. Rebound by Barba. To Bonnie. Bonnie to Barba. 10 seconds to shoot. 18 for 3. No. Rebound by Barba. Steal by Black by 55. Kuha ni Lambino. Lambino to Ryan. Nag-aagawan. Ryan against number 18. Number 18, number 55. Nakuha po ni number 18. Number 18. Saves. Nahuli sa linya. $79-66 in favor of Black. Mike to Ryan. Ryan against number 18. To Mike. Mike to number 22. Bonnie against Mike. Bonnie pa rin. For 3. No, rebound by Barba. Basket by Barba. Guys. Lambino. Lambino against Bonnie. Up, step mom. Rebound by Barba. Barba to Bonnie. Bonnie, power layup. Wala, natapasa. Rebound by Lambino. Libre-libre si Ryan.
Wala po, basta.
Ryan.
Wala pa yan.
Bonus shot. 81-68. Last 2 minutes of third quarter. Number 18 against Ryan. Number 18, elbow shot. No, rebound by Mike. Picked up by Mike. Pass to Lambino. 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 Step mom din.
Step 2 tawag na, no? Step 2.
55 to Lambino. Lambino. Traveling by number 22. Barba to Bonnie. One minute 15 sa third quarter. Bonnie. Bonnie to Barba. To 18. Tapik ni Barba. Tapik ni Ryan. Kuha ni Ryan. Ryan against Arvin. Against Barba. Wins a dribble by Ryan. Ryan Penasa. Red team. Caldo. 40 seconds. Caldo to Arvin. Arvin sa tres kaya. Against 22. To Barba. Fix. Barba. And it's good. And one. Foul by number 55. Vincent Hernandez. Vincent Hernandez. Second personal. 14th foul by Black team. 2 shot by bonus shot by Barba. Sablay. Black ball. Last 30 seconds. Ryan against Bonnie. Last 12 seconds. Last 8 seconds. Steal by Bonnie. 5 seconds left. Number 18 sa kabila. No. End of the third quarter.
Medyo stop time tawag ko ng biyahe.
Score is 70-81 in favor of Black.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Pasok na yung mga nakaisa pa lang.
Finals na. Allowance yung champion. Red lang. Dulo ako. Oo, na-display.
Fourth quarter,
Pero malakas
81-70 in favor of Black.
sila ba yun?
Yung na-injury, okay na?
Hindi yan nangyari. Gago, wait lang. Committee time out.
Nakakalimutan.
Tanggal ko na.
Dali na, natanggal yung saksakan.
Kaya pausog niya ang konti.
Pausog.
Pausa ko lang, salamat. May saksakan. Yan.
70.
Technical difficulty. 15 minutes, man.
Nangyari. Ano to?
Dali, ayusin na namin score. Time out lang, time out. 81-70. 81 dito. Okay, pangawa na. Seventy. Ito pa. Okay. Fourth quarter, back to the ball game. Score is 81-70 in favor of Black. Tato against Owi. Binangga ng kampi, Kalin. Teardrops, no? Kuha ni Owi. Owi to number 70, Zapata, loses.
Stop time mo sa ano. Okay, stop time. Mahaba pa naman.
To Jetta. Loses. To number 20. No. Rebound by Quibier. Libre si Nino. Basket by Nino Jetta. 72-81. Zapata sa tres. No. Rebound by Khalil. Jetta. Basket. Lance, saka na. Rebound by Jetta. Nino, basket by Jetta. 76-81, umahabol ng red. Chris Santos. He's fouled by Khalil. Third personal. First team foul by red team. Two shot by Chris Santos. Not this time. Number 20, rebound by Wibiyin. Basket is good by Matthew. Number 20, Tato. Against Owi. To number 28, to Jetta. Oani Owi. To Matthew, and it's fouled. Fouled by number 28, Arman Alboga. First personal, second team foul by Red. Two shot by Matthew Gabriel. Score is 85-76 in favor of Black. Rebound by Matthew. Traveling red team. number 6. Number 6. Cross to Jake. Sa gilid. Jake ulit. To Jetta. Jetta, basket this time. Nagaling Marino si Jetta. 78-85. Owie. Offensive foul, extending the right arm by Owie. Ilan sa Owie? Owie, first personal. First team foul by Black. Number 6, crossover. 10 seconds. Khalil sa gilid. Rebound by Romel against Tanto. Romel. Behind the scene. Jake. Jake to Jetta. To number 6. Basket by number 6. 80-85. Lima na lang. Number 13 sa Panta. Pito uli. 10 minutes and 46. Number 6. Elbow shot. No. Jet. Owie. Teardrops. Basket by Owie. 89-80.
Magsimot, change siya.
Live violation. Substitution rep. Change 5. Change 5.
Hindi nga napawisan eh. Huwag mo halo sa labahan. Tama lang. Sa labahan.
Hindi, auto sub lang. Change 5 ta. Change 5 lang. Hisham to Lambino. Lambino against the 21. To Hisham. Rebound by 23. To Enzo. Enzo baskets good. 82-89. Nakagulin ng red ang black. Ryan. Ryan to Hisham. To Lambino. Fake news. Lambino sa gitna. To Ryan. Ryan sa tres. No. Rebound by Enzo. Enzo to Ferrer. No. Back ball. Lambino to Hisham. Steal by Ferrer. Good yan, good. Napitawan lang. Enzo to number 23. 23. Power layup. Rebound by Enzo. Fake. To Ferrer. To Franco rather. Hisham, steal. Hisham ulit. To Ryan. Ryan. Step mom. Wala. Hisham. Fake pass. Number 22. Number 22 ulit. Ryan. To Mike. Mike for 3. Mike, no good. Rebound by Valenzuela. 2. Number 23. 23. To Franco. No. To Mike. To Ryan. 89-82 in favor of Black. Ryan pa rin. To number 22. To Hisham. Foul throw shot, no. Rebound by Valenzuela. Enzo. Basket is good by Enzo. Lima na lang. 89-84. Red is trailing by 5. 7 minutes and 19 seconds in the fourth quarter. Screen by 22. Hisham sa tres. 3 points by Hisham. 92-84. Last 7 minutes. 23. Fake pass. 23. Step through. Yun ang tunay na step through. Valenzuela for 3. No. Rebound by Mike. Gulang. Gulang position. Lambino. Tinipigan, wala. Lambino pa rin. Spins. To Isham, 14 seconds shot clock, walang tawag. Is foul.
Pakita yung pangalan.
Who's foul, right? Oh, outside lang.
Hold on.
Who's foul, right? Number 29, Isham.
Second.
Third personal foul. Second team foul by Black. Two shot by Franco Ferrer. Three points na yun, 3 points. Isa pa.
Dali niyo yung mga ano niyo, water bottle. May tubig doon.
Basket is good. Sub.
Basket isa.
Basket. Basket. 6 minutes 20. Isham against Bonnie. Steal. To number 21, basket this time. Nag-aabot sila. 88 na. 92 na lang ang Black. Lock in ang red. Lock in. Lambino. To Ryan. Ryan, fake news. Ryan, steal by Bonnie. Oh! Red ball. 23 to Enzo. Enzo to Bonnie. Bonnie spins. Enzo, teardrops. Malakas. Number 21, elbow shot. Low. Rebound by Lambino. 5 minutes 30. Lambino. Traveling. Bonnie, no. Rebound by Lambino.
Huwag siya magbasa lang. O kaya ano, pag dead boy.
Isham for 3. Change 5. Last change 5 na. Last change 5. Last. Last 5 minutes and 6 seconds.
Kayo na. Oo. Teka, paayos mo nga.
Kailangan dalawa na mapasok sa kanila.
Nakailan na kayo kanina?
Dalawa na.
Dalawa na. Pangatlo yan. Pangatlo. Sino yung sobre yan? Si Barba.
Hindi na makakapasok sa inyo kuya.
Sige, pwede mag-sub-sub na lang ha. Sige, pasok siya. Pasok ka din. Pwede mag-sub ha, saban yung ano. Pwede. Nakailan na si Gabriel?
Apat na.
Sub ka doon kay Gabriel ha.
Mamaya kuya. 3 minutes.
Ito, 3 minutes. Ito, sabaw mo yung 18 ha.
Basket. 4 minutes and
Stop time mo ha.
to Barba. Bonnie.
Kanina pa yung Bonnie. Ba't nasa loob pa rin yun?
Hindi.
Ha? Sub na yan, kanina pa yan. Ikakalaro lang eh.
Hindi. Bago lang siya.
Hindi, kakampi nila na ano yun eh, nila Enzo eh. Ilabas mo yung ano, yung Bonnie, Gabriel, tsaka Barba, tsaka yung 18. Mamaya 3 minutes.
Basket is good.
Ready na takbo ko. Sige, tayo na. Kami na ano matatawag.
For 3, no. Rebound by Khalil. na, 3 minutes.
Stop, stop.
Owen. To Cyrus. Step through. Fouled by Barba. Second personal.
Ilan team?
Third team foul by Red Team. For 3. No. Rebound by Chris. To Owie, fakes. Owie. 3 seconds.
Isa pa. Kaya pag nag-dead ball na,
Barba to Bonnie. Bonnie to 18. To Gabriel. Foul throw shot. No. Barba. Basket is good by Barba. And 1. Substitution, right? Number
18, 17.
17 tsaka 11 lang.
Bonnie out.
18,
11.
11 out. Pasok ng dalawa.
Sub.
Substitution, rep, substitution. Substitution, oo.
Sino?
11.
Number 11 ng red out.
Sino pa? 17.
Number 17, Bonnie out. Sobra.
Naka-apat na siya. Tama? Naka-apat ka na, Bonnie, di ba? Oo, sub. Oo. Sige, okay, tama.
99-91. Last 3 minutes and 6. Sino yung nakadalawa na dyan? Pwede mo stop.
Ilan lang naman yan sila.
Zapata, basket.
Okay na, naka-apat ka naman. Naka-apat ka na.
Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 18. Elbow shot. Basket. 93-101. Owie. To number 13. 3, no. Rebound by Owie. Owie by Matthew. No basket. Number 18. Papahabol kaya? Number 18 against Chris. Rebound by Zapata to Owie. Sa tres. No, rebound by Cyrus to Santos. Nagagawa, Matthew. Wala pa rin, number 6. Steal by Zapata. Red team, 1 minute and 37.
Asa na si Lance?
Lance. For 3, Khalil. Khalil ulit. Rebound by Barba. To Cyrus. Black team, 1 minute 28.
Kasi alis na tayo. Mauna na kami.
13. Free by number 13. Sige, sige. 18. To number 18. No, rebound by Khalil. Black ball, 1 minute and 8. Oh, same ball. Correction by ref. Same ball sa red. 1 minute and 8. Team picture na, team picture. Barba. Rebound. By Matthew. Drop pass to Zapata. Zapata crossover. No. Rebound by the 28. Jake. Jake against Owie. The number 6 sa tres. Number 6, 3! Last 39 seconds. Last 39 seconds. Number 6. Number 18, Tupalin. Last 24 seconds. Number 18, Speeds. Last 18 seconds, number 6. To Jake for 3, no. Rebound by Barba. 8 seconds left. Fakes. And he's fouled. Last 4 seconds.
Pag pumalag, correct naman nila.
No basket. Kamay tayo, kamay. Final score, 104-101. Congrats sa Black. Team picture kayo kasi yung team picture.